Good morning everyone. Today we discuss about circulatory system of frog. The circulatory system of frog is well developed because more developed blood vessels are present in frogs. The type of circulation is closed type. Closed type. In this type, blood flows only in the blood vessels. In this type, blood flows only in the blood vessels. The circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessel, blood. Circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels, blood. First, heart. Heart is muscular. Heart is muscular pumping organ. Heart is muscular and pumping organ. Heart is situated on the upper part of the body cavity. Upper part of the body cavity. Heart is surrounded by membrane called pericardium. In frog, heart is three-chambered heart. Three-chambered heart. Two atria, one ventricle. Two atria and one ventricle. Three-chambered heart. The heart contains two accessory chambers. The frog heart contains two accessory chambers. These are sinus venosus, conus arteriosus. Frog heart has two accessory chambers called sinus venosus, conus arteriosus. Dorsal view of heart, ventral view of heart. In dorsal view of heart, triangular shape of structure present on the right atrium. Triangular shape of the structure present on the dorsal side of the right atrium. Dorsal side of the right atrium is called sinus venosus. Sinus venosus is triangular shape. It present in the dorsal region of the right atrium. Dorsal region of the right atrium. Sinus venosus receives blood. Sinus venosus receives blood. This is sinus venosus. Sinus venosus receives blood from two precaval veins and one postcaval vein. Right precaval vein and left precaval vein. Right precaval vein, left precaval vein and postcaval vein. Sinus venosus receives blood from right precaval vein, left precaval vein and postcaval vein. Sinus venosus act as pacemaker. Sinus venosus is a pacemaker. In frogs, sinus venosus is pacemaker. Pacemaker is formed by the modification of cardiac muscle. Pacemaker is formed by the modification of cardiac muscle. So, frog heart is myogenic heart. Frog heart is myogenic heart. Myogenic means heartbeat initiated by cardiac muscle. Heartbeat initiated by cardiac muscle. This heart is called myogenic heart. Frog heart is myogenic heart. Another neurogenic heart. Neurogenic heart. In this heart, heartbeat is initiated by nerves arising from the brain. Nerves arising from the brain is called neurogenic heart. Frog heart is myogenic heart. Ventricles opens into a cone-like structure called conus arteriosus or truncus arteriosus. Conus arteriosus or truncus arteriosus. Truncus arteriosus is divided into two ducts. Each duct is divided into three aortic arches. Each duct is divided into three aortic arches. Carotid artery, systemic artery, pulmocutaneous artery. Carotid artery, systemic artery, pulmocutaneous artery. Sinus venosus absent in birds, mammals. Sinus venosus absent in birds and mammals. Conus arteriosus absent in reptiles, birds, mammals. Conus arteriosus or truncus arteriosus absent in reptiles, birds, mammals. Sinus venosus present on the dorsal side of the heart. Conus arteriosus present on the ventral side of the heart. Next, flow of circulation. Ventricle receives right atrium and left atrium. Ventricle receives oxygenated and deoxygenated blood from right atrium and left atrium. In ventricles, mixed blood is present because there is no chamber. Ventricles are not separated. Single ventricle is present in frog, so mixed blood is pumped. Ventricles receives deoxygenated blood from right atrium, oxygenated blood from left atrium. This mixed blood is pumped by conus arteriosus. Conus arteriosus is divided into three ducts: carotid, systemic, pulmocutaneous. Carotid artery supplies blood to the head region. Systemic supplies body parts. Pulmocutaneous, lungs, cutaneous, skin and lungs. Sinus venosus receives blood from the precaval vein, postcaval vein. The deoxygenated blood, this is deoxygenated blood. Sinus venosus receives blood from precaval vein, postcaval vein and opens into the right atrium. This is precaval vein, right precaval vein, left precaval vein, postcaval vein. Sinus venosus collects blood from these three caval veins and opens into right atrium. And left atrium receives oxygenated blood from lungs. Through pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein opens into left atrium. It receives blood from the lungs into the left atrium. The deoxygenated blood of the right atrium opens into ventricles and oxygenated blood of the left atrium opens into the ventricle. The oxygenated and deoxygenated blood present in the ventricles. So, and mixed blood is present in the ventricles. This mixed blood is pumped. This mixed blood is carried by arteries. Pumping and receiving of the blood depends on the two systems, arterial system and venous system. Arterial system and venous system. Arterial system means mixed blood present in the heart is carried through all parts of the body, by arteries. These all arteries forms arterial system. Next, venous system. Heart receives deoxygenated blood from different types of organs through the veins. These veins are formed venous system. Special type of venous system present in the frog: hepatic portal system, renal portal system. Two special types of venous systems present in the frog: hepatic portal system, renal portal system. Portal system means large veins starts with capillaries. These are the capillaries. Large veins starts with capillaries and ends with capillaries. These are called portal system. Large veins starts with capillaries and ends with capillaries. These are called portal system. Hepatic portal system means hepatic portal vein receives blood from stomach and intestine. This is hepatic portal vein. Hepatic portal vein receives blood from stomach and intestine into the liver instead of heart. This is called hepatic portal system. Detoxification occurs in the liver. Next, renal portal system. Renal portal vein receives blood from the lower limbs into the kidney. The first blood enters into the kidney instead of heart. In kidney, blood is filtered. Urea is removed in the kidney. Renal portal system absent in mammals. Renal portal system absent in mammals and cyclostomes. Renal portal system reduced in birds. Hepatic portal system present in all vertebrates, but renal portal system absent in mammals and cyclostomes. Renal portal system reduced in birds. Next, blood. Blood is composed of plasma and cells. Cells are RBC, WBC, thrombocytes. RBC, erythrocytes, WBC, leukocytes, thrombocytes, platelets. RBC contain hemoglobin. These transport gases. RBC is nucleated. Nucleated RBC present in the frogs. WBC also contain nucleus. WBC are amoebocytic cells. Amoebocytes are amoebocyte cells. Amoebocytes, these useful in the defense mechanism. Defense mechanism. Thrombocytes. Thrombocytes maintain homeostasis, maintain hemostasis. 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 Hemostasis means stopping of bleeding. Stopping of bleeding. Stopping of bleeding. Next, lymphatic system. In addition to the blood vascular system, the lymphatic system present in the frogs. This lymphatic system consists of lymph nodes, lymph vessels, lymph channels. Lymphatic system consists of lymph nodes, lymph channels. Lymph differs from the blood. Lymph is differ from blood. Lymph is equal to blood minus lymph is equal to blood minus RBC plus few proteins. Lymph lacks RBC and few proteins. Lymph is white color because RBC is absent in lymph. RBC is absent in lymph. RBC and few proteins are absent in lymph. Circulatory system helps for the transport of gases, transport of nutrients and hormones.